If you are a Nigerian teacher or student planning to migrate to Canada, one of the biggest steps is the IELTS test. Many people struggle not because they are not capable, but because they don't study the right way. In this video, I will give you a step-by-step 30-day study plan to improve your IELTS score and increase your points in Canada's express entry system. This video is for educational purposes only. Please verify all information with official Canadian government sources. First, let's understand IELTS. IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. For Canadian immigration, you must take the general training test, not academic. The test has 4 sessions, which are the listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Each session is scored on a scale of 0 to 9, called your band score. Canada requires at least CLB 7, which roughly equals listening band 7, speaking band 7, reading band 6.5, writing band 6.5. Your band scores are converted to CLB, and your CLB determines how many points you get for language in the comprehensive ranking system, CRS. So aiming for these scores help you maximize your CRS points for express entry. Guess what? The key to success is structured daily practice. Spend 30 to 60 minutes per session every day. Rotating, you have to rotate, so all 4 skills are covered each week. Consistency beats long, irregular study sessions. Now, let's break it down week by week. Week 1, listening and reading. Listen to English podcasts, news, or YouTube videos daily. Practice your IELTS reading passages and time yourself. Don't read too slowly. Always stimulate real test conditions. Week 2, writing. Practice letters and essays following IELTS task types. Keep a journal in English daily. Even short sentences help. Oh, I was coming from work today. Oh, I saw this, I saw that. Little sentences helped. And you have to review your grammar. Review your grammar and your sentence structure for clear writing. Now, let's talk about week 3, speaking. Record yourself answering IELTS speaking questions. Focus on clarity and confidence. Mimic native speakers' pronunciation and intonation. But all you have to do is speak non-stop for 2 minutes on a topic. It's challenging, but it builds fluency. Week 4, mock tests and review. You have to take 2 to 3 full-length time IELTS tests. Analyze mistakes and focus on weak areas. Review all 4 sessions, especially the ones you struggled with. Track your mistake, okay? In a notebook to avoid repeating them. Now, let's recap our 4 weeks, going week by week. So now again, we talk about week 1, which is listening and reading. We talk about listening to English podcasts, news, or YouTube videos daily. We talk about week 2, which is writing. We'll talk about practicing your letters and your essay following the IELTS task types. We talk about week 3, which is speaking, recording yourself answering IELTS speaking questions. We talk about week 4, which is mock test and review. This is where you try yourself. You have to take 2 to 3 full-length timed IELTS tests. Following these plans will help you aim for Band 7 or higher, which improves your CRS points and increases your chances of Canadian immigration success. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment IELTS. In the next video, I will show you exactly how to prepare your West document so your education gets recognized in Canada without mistake. Thanks for watching.